Let's see how to create text flame effect in Photoshop. At first, we need to clear the candle flame. You can choose by any selecting tools you want. Now time to write our text. And adjusting the size and position. Here, we need to create work path on the text. Otherwise we can't create the flame on it. We create a new layer. And we go to Filter menu, and we click on Flame Filter. In this window, from Flame Type, we choose the option 2, Multiple Flames Along Path. Now we adjust the settings up to we like it. We don't need the path anymore. Delete the path by pressing the delete key. We press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. From Filter menu we go to Blur menu, and we choose Gaussian Blur to create glow on flame. We reduce the opacity. And that's it. Subscribe Ali Yausser Graphic channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.